We're doing the Peeps challenge.
Yeah, and yeah, you just have to put one peep in your mouth and say happy user, and then the other person has to say happy user, and then you grab another one and do the same thing all over and over again.
So whoever gets the most wins?
Yeah.
Well, you have a big mouth. I have a little one.
No, I have okay.
I have a little mouth. Oh, you might have a chance.
Okay.
I do, look.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, they're so cute.
I know.
You have a big mouth. No, you have a big mouth.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I know.
It's bigger than mine. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
If you spit, you lose.
Oh, that's kind of embarrassing. Alright then, let's go.
So,
Do we do one and one at
yeah.
the same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Happy
Huh?
Easter.
Happy Easter.
Oh.
I'm so gonna have a little mouth. I'm gonna eat the marshmallow. You're eating it! Is that cheating?
Te vas a vomitar. ¿Sí?
Come sola.
¿Sí?
Son come solas.
¿Sí? No, ya no. No.
You're done. It doesn't count. Your mouth isn't even close. And I ate mine already.
Ya te vas a vomitar. Te vas a buscar.
You need to stop.
Ay, qué asco.
Did 3 only.
Yeah.
I guess. Ew, that's kind of gross. Cover it up.
Todo más que morado.
So I guess,
You won.
yeah. You gotta close your mouth.
Tres y tres.
I guess we're pretty even.
Yeah.
Well, I closed my mouth. So.
Más, faltó el morado y el azul.
Oh, the taste is the same. No, the taste different.
Why? You only grab your white ones. I grab one of each. Okay,
You asked for
that's all. What's wrong with you? You need some water? It's not as easy as you think, is it? Oh,
It's
okay.
because I need to be bigger.
No.
Yeah, I do.
You just need smaller peeps.
Mire, no se lo recomiendo, guys. Dile.
So what do you want to tell the kids up there that want to do this?
This is not easy. Do not try
And
this.
Do not try this at home. Unless
What? You
Don't.
can try this at home, but don't.
Like what I mean, like don't try this by yourself.
Yeah, don't try it.
Like unless you're with an adult.
Yeah,
I'm not an adult. I'm a little girl.
but
But-
babies can't do it.
But they are. We have an adult here and we have an adult here. Thank you guys for watching.
Peace, love, happy Easter.
Les
Happy
faltó-
Easter.
Les faltó el rosita y el azul.